The civil authorities have issued a hazardous materials warning for the United States beginning at 6:17 p.m. and ending at 2:16 a.m. Could you, on a train? Wait for further instructions.
This wood won't burn.
Well, Dad, looks like we'll have to...
This is a coordinated local test of the broadcast stations and cable systems emergency alert system equipment. During the threat of an emergency, such as child abduction, questionable weather conditions, leakage of toxic chemicals or materials, or any other statewide, local, or national emergency that pose as harm to the public, an official message would have followed the attention signal you just heard. This station serves as a vital part of the Lackawanna, Pennsylvania and surrounding area V.A.S. equipment. This was only a test. This station will now release this message and return you to regular programming.
Just send it.
That's perfect. Because in 6 or 7 years, you'll grow your hair back. I'll be out of my goosey.
Today after school, I'll go down to the beauty parlor and get this all evened out.
Great idea.